I want to show you how quickly and easily you can create an audience using funding rounds. This is really important for our business, understanding when a customer has a funding round in the C or D realm. That's giving us an understanding that they just got funded for marketing and sales. For me as a seller, selling marketing and sales solutions, this is the perfect time for me to engage and start offering assistance, services, information, and help. I'm going to use a scoop on funding to go ahead and grab that information. So I'm going to use funding in the financial rounds. I can use, of course, company revenue, but many of our customers aren't public companies, and so that might not be published. In this case, I'm going to grab funding from any round over the last 6 months, and I need that amount to be at least $1 million. Then I can choose what series I want. Maybe I'm in tech infrastructure and I want Series A. I currently work in sales and marketing technology, so I'm going to select Series C and D. This gives me an opportunity to know that they're funded specifically for their go-to-market. I can even specify the investor. For example, we're invested by Carlyle. I can find other organizations that also have Carlyle as an investor and engage with them at the board level instead of starting down at the manager or end user level. I can use departmental budgets as well. So I'm going to go ahead and see, I've got 16 accounts, that's perfect, that had Series C or D funding of at least $100,000 in the last month. I'm going to go ahead and filter down to the contacts that are right for me to engage here. So I'm going to go VP and above in the C-suite, in marketing and in sales. And I want to make sure I can connect with them and omni-channel them. So I'm going to go ahead and select the presence of data elements that will allow me to grab them and engage them. And then lastly, I'm going to use my connected compliance to exclude my opt-outs. And now in just a few moments and in just a few mouse clicks, I have a very discrete audience of the key contacts I want to address about their funding. Now you'll notice this is a very small audience, and we did get an alert here, but we're not going to limit you. If you wanted to activate an audience of 15 accounts and 79 contacts on our DSP, we are happy to do it for you. If you're activating on LinkedIn or Facebook, they may have installed minimums that they require. This is how I can quickly engage these teams and understand exactly where and why we're talking.